Hello friends, welcome to Dream Degree Abroad. In this video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of the fully funded scholarship that is offered by Wuhan University in China. This is a fully funded scholarship with no application fee and without acceptance letter. So must apply in this scholarship. To start the application process, please go to official website of Wuhan University. You can get link from the description. Then you have to register yourself, enter your email and password. Uh, an activation link will be sent to your email. By clicking on that link, you will get registered. And after registration, by putting email and password, you can sign in. Now click on sign in button. Here you have to click on start application. But I have started an application earlier. Then I am clicking on edit. There are 7 steps. Fill all these steps and then your application will be completed. Before starting, let me see one thing. After clicking on the start application, they will ask some questions. First, you have to choose your program, then choose Chinese Government Scholarship University Program Type B and click on Next. Next, choose your degree type, doctor student, master student. I am clicking on master student with English teaching program. If you choose the Chinese teaching program, you must know the Chinese language and you must hold the HSK level certificate. If you don't know the Chinese language, you can choose English teaching language. Click on the next. So here the list of programs and all the programs are in English language, so you can choose what you want. Now move to the application process. So first of all, enter your personal information here. Your name, your marital status, birth date, place of birth, highest level of education. If you are applying for master's degree, then choose bachelor. Final education institution, occupation, health status. Then your gender, nationality, country, native language, religion, GPA scale, employer or institution affiliated, your hobby, but it is not compulsory. Next is, are you ethnic Chinese? Click on no. Current location, whether in Chinese mainland now. Click on no. Immigration information, choose no. Enter your passport details here, then click on the next. After clicking on the next, step 2 is open. First is language proficiency, Chinese proficiency. If you have Chinese proficiency, then fill all this field. If you have not, then click on none. Next is English proficiency. Enter the English proficiency details here. Then next is recommender. You have to enter your source here. I have chosen friends and relatives. Then relationship with applicant and enter the detail of recommender. Then move to the next. Now step 3 is education and employment. In educational background, number 1, number 2 and then number 3. In number 1, you have to enter the detail of your high school. In number 2, you have to enter the detail of your college education. And in number 3, you have to enter the detail of your university education. Then click on save and next. Step 4 is additional information. You have to enter the detail of your family members. Number 1 is father. Enter the detail of your father, and number 2 is your mother. So enter the detail of your mother, your mother's name, nationality, phone number, position, workplace, email, and then have you ever had a criminal record? If yes, then click on yes. I am clicking on no. Next is financial supporter. If any, then add the information here. And the next one is guarantor in China. Enter the detail of guarantor in here. Enter name, phone number, organization, mobile, email, and address. If not, then simply write none and then save and next. Now step 5 is contact information. Enter your permanent address details here, street, city, country, phone number and zip code. Next, current postal address. Then phone number, zip code, address, and other things are not compulsory. Next, how to collect the admission notice. Deliver to address provided in application and collect from Wuhan University in person. So you can choose according to your information. Now click on save and next. So next step is upload application documents. Upload all the documents with red stars that include passport, official certified certificates of highest diploma, transcripts in graduate school of highest degree, a study plan, 2 letters of recommendation from professors, application form for Chinese government scholarship, the most important thing. Remember, the scholarship is basically CSC scholarship, that is also known as Chinese government scholarship. And when you apply for CSC scholarship, you apply on 2 portals, first on CSC portal and the second university's main portal. So first you will fill the CSC application form and then you will fill the university's application form. Then your application will be submitted. I have already uploaded a video on how to fill out the CSC application form. You can find the video on my channel and I will provide the link in the description, so you can get the link from the description. So there will be the complete process of filling the application CSC application form. So next required document is Chinese or English proficiency certificate. If you are applying for English taught programs, then non-criminal record and form of provisional acceptance, it is not compulsory. Then foreigner physical examination form, its photocopy needed. And you have to upload all these documents and click on save and next. After clicking on save and next, step 7 will open. Step 7 is preview and submit the application. You can preview your application and then you have to submit your application. I have not uploaded the documents, that's why I cannot move to the step 7. So you have to enter the correct and accurate details of your information and then submit your application. So that's all. In this way, you can apply for this fully funded scholarship with no application fee and without acceptance letter. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and visit our website Dream Degree Abroad to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe.